Hi, my name is Sierra Pope. I will be discussing some key terms from Chapter 7, Sexuality, Partnership, and Marriage. The first term I will go over is union formation, which is the process of beginning to live with a partner through cohabitation or marriage. In the past, nearly everyone was married before living together and having kids. This view has now shifted to allow for cohabitation and marriage to occur in either order. Cohabitation is when two unmarried people who have sexual relationship live together. And then along similar lines with that is the term union, which is a stable, intimate relationship between two people who live in the same household but may or may not be married. These two terms are very similar to each other. The most notable difference is that with a union, the couple may be married. This is not the case with cohabitation. There is also a term called serial cohabitation, which is living with a series of partners without marrying them. Someone might enter a relationship such as this one because of pregnancy or being a low-income mother. Most of these women would like to get married, but that may or may not occur. These are now all common living arrangements for couples. Another way a union could be formed is through courtship, which is a public process with set rules where young adults find a partner to marry. The community, especially the parents, play a big role in this process. For example, in early modern Britain, the first stages of courtship occurred mainly outdoors, in plain view of peers and kin. Young men and women were only allowed to be seen together at public events such as festivals, games, or dances, and even then only with groups. On the opposite end of the spectrum is hooking up. Hooking up is a sexual encounter with no expectation for further involvement. They commonly occur at parties or other group settings and often involve alcohol, which serve to loosen inhibitions and provide a rationale for acting in sexually forward manner. Now we'll turn our attention to marriages. There is companion marriage, a marriage in which the emphasis is on affection, friendship, and sexual gratification. This is most common among single earner, breadwinner, homemaker model. There is a sharp division of labor, but they are supposed to be each other's companions. This goes along with the term specialization model, which is a model of the marriage market in which women specialize in housework and childcare and men specialize in paid work outside of the home. It is similar to the breadwinner homemaker model. This model says that women will search for good providers and men will search for good homemakers. In contrast to these is individualistic marriage, which is a marriage in which the emphasis is on the self-development, flexible roles, and open communication. This has been called a shift from role to self. This is the form that most may think of when they think of a modern progressive marriage. This goes along with the income pooling model, which is a model of the marriage market in which both spouses work for pay and pool their income. This model has become increasingly popular. It is not only allowing for more equality, but it is also a necessity for many families. They now rely on both sources of income to provide for themselves and their family. Those are some of the key terms from Chapter 7, Sexuality, Partnership, and Marriage.